Hey everyone, welcome to my review of this dual dash cam from ARIFAYZ. Right here is the main front camera that you're going to attach to your windshield when setting it up, and it will run off the power generated from a car auxiliary outlet. So if you have an auxiliary outlet inside your car, then you can easily run this, both the dash camera and the rear camera at the same time. Now inside this video, I'm going to go ahead and talk about how to set this up. I'm going to give you a general overview of the camera itself, and then I'm going to tell you what I like about it and why I ultimately think that this is a great dual camera for your car because of all the different options and everything that's included. So with this, you have the actual camera itself, you have the rear camera, you have the plug-in for the auxiliary outlet in the car. You're going to have a bunch of these different pads that are stickable, so you can stick this onto your windshield or at the back of your vehicle. Then we have some cable management right here. We have a tool to get the cable pressed into the siding of your vehicle. We also have a tool here to reset the camera, so if you want to reset it, you can use that tool there. And then lastly, we have some guide stickers that you can stick onto your windshield so you don't leave any sticky residue from the actual dash cam itself. So when you put all of this together, you really do have an easy to use and easy to set up dash cam. Now, in order for this dash cam to actually work, what you need to do is first have a micro SD card, plug it into this slot right here. That's going to allow you to record and actually host video from your vehicle on this dash cam. Once you do that, it's time to set up the dash camera. All you have to do is just take your guide stickers, stick them onto the vehicle, then take this padded part and stick it onto the guide stickers, and now that's going to be your setup for your front dash cam. After you do that, you can take your power adapter, plug it in, and then run the cable along the siding of your vehicle, or you can use the cable management to kind of hide the wires a little bit. After you do that, you can install the rear camera just by using one of those sticky pads. You can put it onto your windshield or install it anywhere in the back of your vehicle that you see fit. Then we can run this cord all the way to the front dash cam, plug it into the port here, and now you're all set up and ready to go as far as it comes to the dash cam itself. After that, you can set up the app on your phone. Once you're inside the app, you're going to have a few different options as far as settings, and then just go ahead and start viewing the live stream of the front and the rear camera. You can also record during your parking sessions. So if you're parked in a parking garage and you just want to make sure that your car is safe, then you can have it recording while you're not in your vehicle. And that's going to record the front and the back, and that will record up to 24 hours. You also have a night mode so that this can work during the evening, and it's still going to produce high quality video. Overall, I thought that this dash cam was a really high quality dash cam. I loved that it was extremely simple to set up. All I had to do was just run a few cables, use the sticky pads to set it up, and I was good to go. The app was pretty self-explanatory, nothing too complicated there, and I was enjoying watching the live video as I was installing this camera. So overall, in my opinion, I can recommend this camera from ARIFAYZ. I love that it displays the time for you as well as records video of both the front and the back of your vehicle. In my opinion, it's an awesome camera. Thank you so much for watching this video review, and I hope that you have enjoyed it.